Meaning of human race.
Human race.
Human race.
Human race.
Human race. The term human race refers to the collective group of individuals who belong to the human species. It encompasses all ethnicities, cultures, and nationalities across the globe. The human race is characterized by a distinct set of physical and cognitive traits that distinguish it from other species. These traits include upright posture, complex language abilities, and advanced problem-solving skills. Despite variations in appearance and cultural practices, the human race shares a common ancestry and evolutionary history. The concept of the human race serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the interconnectedness of all people.